has been a busy summer here at the KWRC, but the season is winding down. Of course, there is still much work to be done, but soon our summer students, including myself, will be saying goodbye and heading back to school. This video serves as a review for the many projects we've completed over our time here, as well as a reminiscence for our staff over the past few months, which seem to have flown by. From getting our hands and knees dirty first day on the job at Passacagh Creek, where we staked willow, installed fencing, and befriended the cows, to kayaking on our local lakes in pursuit of important data collection, we've learned so much and had a lot of fun. Many days involved hard work, but sharing some laughs and knowing it will all pay off for the good of our watershed's health made it so worth the effort. Let's look back at the past few months, starting at the end of May.
Like, you can see the leaf scars. I just don't know, like, what kind of plant grows like that. Isn't it gross? Sorry.
And that about sums it up for our summer with the KWRC this year. Of course, we did much more throughout the season, including some restoration sites I didn't get footage for, always willow staking and tree planting, and there was a community cleanup challenge, educational walks, and informational booths at multiple markets. I couldn't be more grateful for the opportunity to be part of this organization and hardworking team, and hope to be involved in future watershed conservation efforts. Thanks to our viewers for tuning in to our weekly Watershed Walk series, and of course to our sponsors for making the work we do here at the KWRC possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to keep up with our environmental endeavors. Thanks again, stay mindful, and we hope to see you around.